Hello and welcome to JRL Learning Hub, a channel dedicated to help CAD users, engineers and students. And in this video I'm going to show you how to use Offset. Okay, so we've got some randomly drawn objects on the screen because I want to demonstrate just how differently Offset behaves depending on the shape that you've got on the screen. The command Offset is used to create parallel lines and arcs and concentric circles. And as you can see on the screen, I've got various simple shapes consisting of those lines, the arcs, there's an ellipse and there's a polyline down here. Getting straight into it then, Offset can be found on that button there. So we click on Offset. We go down to the command line. It's asking me to specify a distance, an offset distance. That's really the distance between the existing object or the existing line and the line that you intend to offset from it. So let's go ahead and type in, let's go 15. Press enter and the cursor turns into a pick box. The software now wants me to click on the line, so let's click on the line. And if we go left or right, if we go one side or the other, we get a preview of where the line will go to. When you're happy with which side that you want to put the line, click left hand mouse button. And there it is. We've now got a copy of the original line. So moving on to the square. We click on Offset. We type in our number. Let's do 15 again. Press enter. The pick box. We click on this on one of the lines on the square and then we decide whether we want to go inside or outside. When you're happy with which side that you want to go, press the left hand mouse button. The same with the ellipse. Click on the ellipse, decide which side you want to go, you get a preview of it. When you're happy, left hand mouse button to place the ellipse. And the same with the circle. Click on it, decide which side you want to go, left hand click. This one's a polyline. Polylines will be dealt with in another video, but click on the polyline, which side that you want to go, and then left hand click. And finally the arc. Click on the arc, this side or this side, and then click. So the end result is that each of these offsetted objects, there's a 15mm or whatever the units are, a 15mm in this case, gap between each of them. So the one that existed first and the offsetted component, there's a 15mm gap. Another useful way of using Offset is using the through option within the Offset command. So if I go ahead and activate the Offset command, and on the command line you can see that in the options we've got this through. Now what through does, if we click on it, it allows us to pick the line that we want to copy. So let's go ahead and pick that. And the line will just follow us until we place it. Now we can use object snaps here, and if I go across to that top corner, when I do the left hand mouse click, it places the object. So if we click on it again, okay, it will follow me, and then when I use my object snaps, when I snap on that top corner, the line will come up level with that in the same plane. Another way I could use it, if I click on the object, before I do anything else, if I click on multiple, what happens is the offset will stay, it will keep the line. So if I now click on this corner, you can see that it still wants to go up. I haven't got to keep going back and reselecting another line. So I can just literally go ahead, click all my corners to copy or offset the line up to that plane. And when I press escape, each one of these lines is level with the top surface or the end point of each of these corners. And that's another really useful way of using Offset. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe for more videos.